Today I'm making Arroz con Leche, or rice pudding. This pudding is made up of 3 types of milk and is just such a refreshing snack. The cinnamon in this really makes it feel like the holidays, and I'm experimenting with a secret ingredient today that I think will really crank up the nostalgic holiday feel. Abuelita Mexican Hot Chocolate. You can turn on subtitles by pressing the CC button, or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. We're gonna need 3 cups of milk, 2 to 4 cinnamon sticks depending on how much you like cinnamon. I'm using 4. 1 cup of medium or long grain rice like jasmine, a pinch of salt, a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1 whole Abuelita Hot Chocolate round, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 3 cups of water, and optionally a 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, and a 1/4 cup of raisins. Let's start off by combining our cow juices. Into a pitcher that holds 6 or more cups, I'm adding the milk, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. Now I'm just going to give this a good stir to ensure everything is well combined, maybe not so vigorously. Avoid splashes and try to get any condensed cow juice on the bottom. Before pouring it out into a pot, along with the whole round of Abuelita Hot Chocolate. We're going to heat this until the chocolate is completely melted and the milk is frothy. Give it a nice whisking to make sure all the little chocolate and spice bits get dissolved. After letting it cool for a bit, I'm transferring the chalky milk back into the pitcher and starting the rice. Into a pot, I'm adding the water, rice, salt, and cinnamon sticks. Bring this up to a boil, then turn it down, cover, and simmer. About 10 minutes till most but not all of the water has soaked into the rice. Now we're going to pour in the sweet bean milk and continue cooking over medium heat till thick and creamy. Mine went about ½ hour, but you could probably turn the heat up and get it done quicker. Pull out the cinnamon sticks, preferably not with your fingies. You know we have tongs, right? Okay, just making sure. And add in the nuts and raisins. Aw, come on, you remember the spoon last time. Sticky things are sticky, Maikoh. Mix everything in and allow it to simmer a few minutes till the raisins have softened and plumped up. This smells so good. It smells just like Christmas with all the spices in the Abuelita chocolate. If you notice my ingredient amounts look smaller, no you didn't. Just kidding. That's because I split them in half and made another batch off camera without the chocolate. You just omit the chocolate and pour the mixed milk mixture into the cooked rice. No need to heat the assortment of cow liquids separately. If you haven't had Abuelita Hot Chocolate before, I highly recommend it. It's packed full of warm, comforting holiday flavors and makes a great addition to an already amazing dish. This rice pudding comes together really quickly and is just a total comfort food. Sweet, milky, and decadent, it doesn't get any better than this. You can eat it while it's still warm, but I prefer to keep it in the fridge till it's cold and sprinkle it with as much ground cinnamon as you want. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, you'll know I really love cinnamon. While I associate this rice pudding with Christmas, it also makes a great summer treat. The original Arroz con Leche is perfect. It smells like fresh milk and cinnamon with a light grapey scent from the raisins. It just has such a clean, lightly sweet milky flavor that mingles so nicely with the cinnamon and raisins. And the Abuelita chocolate version is just packed full of flavor with that spiced chocolate. It's just super nostalgic and so creamy and decadent. I love the extra cinnamon on top and the mix of textures going on here with the creamy milk, soft rice, juicy raisins, and the crunch of the walnuts. Arroz con Leche is perfect. Make one or both and share a picture on Instagram. You can find me at Maikoh with 4 H's. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you'd like to watch another one, you can click the card over on the right. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you're new, consider subscribing, would love to have you around, and I hope to see you all next Thursday.